Hello friends, this is the Leetcode question for big countries. So this table wall has this column name, continent, area, population and GDP. So here is a problem statement. A big country is called if it has an area of at least 3 millions, okay, or it has population of at least 25 millions. So write a solution to find the name and population and area of the big countries. So they have given the definition of the big country, so we have to write a query to find name, population and area. Okay, so name, population and area we need to be select from this world table, and this is the condition we have to write down. So let us write the syntax. Select what need to be select name, colon, comma, population and the area. Okay, from where? From the table name is world table, and here is the condition they have given for the big country. So it where area should be greater than 3 millions, and this population must be 25 millions. Okay, or population is greater than 25 millions. Okay, so let us run this. You can see it is true answer, and this is the expected, and this is the our output. Okay, so this is the solution for this query. Thank you.